all worthy teachers and my all dear friends. First of all, I celebrate all of you.
Great morning, Shanvi.
My name is Shanvi, a shining star of class 8 from Sunrise Foundation. Today, I am here for mastering the concept and my topic is exponent and power. So let's start. What is our topic today?
Exponents and powers.
What is our topic? Exponents and
Powers.
Firstly, we will discuss about what is exponent. Exponent is the way of writing a large number in shorter form, which can be easily read, write, and understand. Speak after me. Exponents is the way of writing a large number in its shorter form, which can be easily read, write, and understand. Which can be read, write, and understand. Now we will study about example. For example, 10,000. 10,000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Here we have 4 tens, so we can written as 10 raised to power 4. Here 10 is the base. What is 10? And 4 is exponent or power. What is 4? Exponents or? Now we are going to study about the laws of exponent. Laws of exponents. First law. A raised to power m multiply a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. For example, 2 raised to power 3 multiply 2 raised to power 6 is equals to 2 raised to power 3 plus 6, which is equals to 2 raised to power 9. Here 2 is common in both. 2 is base is common in both. So if there is multiplication and base is common, then we will add the power. Now second law. A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m minus n. If 2 raised to power 6 is divided by 2 raised to power 3, we will get 2 raised to power 6 minus 3, which is equals to 2 raised to power 3. Here 2 is common and 2 base is common and we have to divide. Then we will minus the power. Now third law is a raised to power m whole raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m n. For example, in this 2 raised to power 3 and whole raised to power 4 is equals to a raised to power 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 2 raised to power 12. Now fourth law. Fourth law is a raised to power m multiply by b raised to power n is equals to AB raised to power m. For example, 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 6 raised to power 3 is equals to, in this the power is common, so we will take the power common, and 2 is and 6 is in multiplication, so we will make it in multiplication, which is equals to 12 raised to power 3. Now fifth law is a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m is equals to a divided by b raised to power m. For example, 2 raised to power 3 is divided by 6 raised to power 3, which is equals to, here again power is common, so we will divide the base. Base is 2 divided by 6 and the power goes in common. Now our sixth and last law is a raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Is an integer if any number whose power is 0, its answer will be 1. For example, 9 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. 2 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. These are the different laws of exponent. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.